Let's see how to install Terraform on a Windows machine. So just go to your browser and search for download or install Terraform in your browser, and click on this link that appears. So here you will see options for different operating systems like Mac OS, Windows, and Linux. So we want to download it for Windows. So if you are on a 64-bit Windows, just click on this AMD 64 download, and so this zip will be downloaded. Just click on open file. Okay, so basically this is the zip file that we downloaded. I'm going to extract this to a location. Click on extract all, and I'm going to extract it to this path C. Okay, and inside that C I'm going to install in directory called Terraform, and click on extract. Okay, so now we have extracted it to this location. So we need to add this path to the environment variables before we can start using Terraform. So search for environment variables. Okay, click on this and click on environment variables, and go to the path variable, and just click on new, and add the path that we extracted the Terraform to, which is C colon, I think it should be backslash. Let me just, okay, so it is C colon backslash and Terraform. Okay, add it, click on OK, and okay. Okay, so now to verify that Terraform is installed properly, let's go to terminal, and run like a simple Terraform command. Let's just run Terraform help. Okay, so if you see here, we are getting the Terraform like output for the Terraform help command, which is basically the commands that Terraform supports. Okay, so if this command runs successfully, it means that you have installed Terraform properly in your Windows machine. Okay.